Hi guys, in this video I will show you 3 best credit cards for bad credit, and it's easy to get approved. The first credit card is Credit One Platinum. Just you can go to the site creditonebank.com. The second site is capitalone.com. Just click here, credit cards. And then just you can click here, compare all cards. After that, just select which card is suitable for you. The third site is discover.com. Just you go here, credit cards, and then click all credit cards. Just read between the different on those cards and then just click apply now. This video, the 3 best credit cards for bad credit. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.